God Almighty, because save me from the shackles of rice eating. Anyway, let me show you how I made this oxtail. So to get started, I just want to brown out the oxtail, then season it with some curry or a little bit of curry, paprika. You make sure that the oxtail is well dried, okay? Some thyme to get that earthy, yummy, lovely feeling, and then bay leaf, all right? And you just want to add some stock seasoning into that mix, okay? Stock seasoning is important. And you just want to mix it all together so everything incorporates. It's important that you don't put the stock seasoning at the very beginning, because we want the meat to first of all brown up before we start putting the seasoning in. The next thing I added blended tomatoes and onion. That was it. Then garlic and ginger. You just want to now mix everything together, then pour hot boiling water into the pan. Don't use cold water. I know I keep saying it, but some people have coconut head. Them not a year or they be like speed darlington. Then once it's all mixing, you just want to cover the pot and allow it to cook. Give it a pat if needed. Once it starts boiling, you just want to check on the meat again and then check on it later. If you need more hot water, add more hot water. Never cold water. Like I said, don't have coconut head, okay? Then you want to open it and look at that. The aroma was everywhere. It smelled great and it tasted wonderful. So I washed my rice and I pour it into there. When I was pouring the rice, I was actually praying that God, this rice matter, I don't know what's going to happen. Anyway, I added some chopped chili and more stock seasoning. I added a very little at the beginning so I could add more as time went. I remember once you add water, once the rice went in itself, soak up some of the flavor. Then I added a lot of crayfish. Quick question. I see a lot of videos and I see people putting a lot of crayfish into the food. Is that normal? Because I only add a little bit. Please, I'm just curious. If you know, please tell me, because do we all cook like that? Like add a lot of, I'm not being funny, but honestly, I really want, because I can only manage a little bit of crayfish in my food, not a lot. I find it a bit sweet, so maybe you might have a different opinion or that. So let me know, please. It's not been shady, it's just been honest question. So I mixed it all together and everything was looking good, and added more water and then some chopped up spinach. I added spinach so that it doesn't look like I ate carbohydrates without putting spinach. Anyway, the meat came out so tender. It was lovely. I went to church and I came back. If only you guys could hear my husband telling me I'm wasting time with the food I'm cooking in the morning. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.